Alright, first thing we talked about was holding the pick. Let me grab kind that we used. So, the idea was you have your index finger curled just a little bit, and then your thumb goes over that first portion of it. So it's not going to go over the knuckle, but more like right over where the fingernail is. So when you're holding it towards your guitar, it's like that. And when you're using the fat part of the pick goes over that first portion of your index finger. Your thumb just lays over the top of it like that. So when you go to strum, the point of the pick, I don't know how well that's showing up there, but the point of the pick is going to be pointing right towards your guitar. Now, the first thing we did was that picking exercise. So 4 times each string, you're just going to do a downward pick stroke. So just pick towards the floor. 4 times on each string. So you got your E string, A, D, G, B, E. And then go back down the same way you came, still picking towards the ground 4 times. So the idea is to be able to play that exercise comfortably without looking at your right hand. Then we also did the E minor pentatonic scale. So this is what it looks and sounds like. So you can just use your first and second finger. And that's right, I'm skipping we did that exercise first. Let's go there first. So the exercise we did, starting on the 7th fret, we're just using all 4 fingers. And we're just going to go 7, 8, 9, all the way up. And from here we go opposite direction. So 10, 9, 8, 7, all the way down. And you just want to try and make sure that when you're using your pinky, it doesn't have that cave-in thing where the knuckle kind of goes inward. You want to try and make sure it stays out like that, curved. And yeah, if it sounds kind of funny, where it's buzzing or it's not ringing out, you just want to check your pressure. Use your thumb to push toward into the back of the neck there to help you if you need it. Okay, now we'll go to the pentatonic scale. So yeah, use your your middle finger on the 3rd frets, first finger on the 2nd frets. So we're going to start with the low E, and we got 2 notes each string, so we're going to read it left to right and climb up the string on the page. And then once we get up to the top there, we're going to read it from right left and go down until we hit the bottom note again. So I'm going to say the fret number as we go, and here it is. We got open 3, open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open 3. Back down, 3, open 3, open 2, open 2, open 2, open 3, open. And then the last thing we have, we did 2-note chords using just the index finger to hold it. So you got the chord name written above, and you got 2 numbers stacked on top of each other. So you have 0 and 2. So you want to read the chords from the bottom up. So the first thing we have the E string and A string marked. So these 2 strings are marked. So you got 0 on the E string, 2 on the A. So you just hold the 2 down with your first finger, and you're going to strum both of those. So you got each chord done or written out 3 times there. So you're going to strum each chord 3 times. So this is what it sounds and looks like. That's that. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. I will plan on seeing you again Friday.